Benefits of cloud computing in 2026. Top benefits of cloud computing. The benefits of cloud computing are numerous and totally change the impact on a business framework. Ever since clouds took the lead, the benefits of cloud computing services have included the ability to scale elastically, which means delivering the right amount of its resources. Top 10 benefits of cloud computing 2026. 1. Scalability. Scalability in cloud computing reduces risks related to in-house operational issues and maintenance. It quickly balances the situation as per the requirements, changes, and storage capacity to step up or down your operation. Cloud services deliver a smart web solution for trading companies, importers, and exporters to.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
Trade-off data to carry through global demand with paperless systems. For instance, the industry has a certain resource allocation count of about 500-1000 plus employees, which won't have the same IT requirements depending on the company size and type. This is when the cloud takes the role to enable enterprises to efficiently and instantly scale their IT departments as per the business requirements. Scalability is indeed the greatest advantage of the cloud and, no doubt, one of the major benefits of cloud computing in 2026. 2. Savings. One of the biggest rules for any industry is to stay as cost-effective as possible when investing in the products while making the progress. The advantages of cloud services are that these savings prove advantageous when implementing a target budget for the product and resources. Well, the pros of cloud computing provide easy access to company data, saving costs and time on project stamps. Once you are on the cloud, your cloud computer service provider takes care of upgrades instead of you newly buying or installing pricey upgrades. 3. Robust disaster recovery and business continuity. Keeping prior versions of software stored in the cloud and using production instances on various cloud zones authorize fast data recovery. This means that, if your application is installed in numerous regions or zones, the traffic automatically fails to the working regions without interference to the end users. In the second scenario of a crucial bug in the software release, a quick rollback can take place for backup or restore purposes to keep down damages. They aren't a proper solution to anticipate disasters, but you can definitely increase the recovery speed with cloud-based services for any emergencies. From natural disasters to power outages or other crises, backup and restoration data with the cloud is flexible and safeguarded. Cloud storage users evaluate data recovery and claim recovery disasters are possible within 24 hours or less in comparison to non-cloud storage users. The fact that accessing data quickly integrates to keep business on track and without potential losses in productivity. 4. Collaboration efficiency. As we draw more light on the cloud environment advantages, collaboration and openness are definitely one. Cloud is essential for any business, organization, or institutional space catering to thousands of people to collaborate at a new level with cloud computing. It gives businesses better communication, team spirit, involvement, and easy sharing accessibility with common or private groups. For example, one could use cloud computing to give employees, contractors, and third parties access to the same files at the same time. As more information is shared, one could use cloud computing to improve collaboration. It needs to ensure the constant ethics of work culture and that they are not working in silence. 5. Flexibility and accessibility. Nothing offers more flexibility than a cloud-based one does. On a business and organization front, flexibility is an independent form to have when in resource utilization. The cloud offers more flexibility than hosting on a local server. Adding to it, Flexibility in cloud computing can make a difference in the efficiency of your business or organization. For instance, a cloud-based service can instantly meet the organization's demand instead of relying on other hosting infrastructure. You can devote more time if your business requires extra bandwidth. With better scalability, storage options, control choices, and security features, the cloud has also become more easily accessible via smartphones and tablets. Now access your documents without constraints of distance and time. 6. Environment friendly. A study of survey research in 2018 estimates that a company with a multitude of resources with an application deployed in the cloud can minimize emissions and energy consumption on a huge scale. Cloud computing is a great way for businesses to use the server space they need, which lessens their carbon footprint. Clouds benefit the environmental cycle. Cloud computing lowers energy consumption and carbon emissions rather than purchasing or installing new on-site servers or hardware. 7. Reduce costs. Apart from savings, most organizations take on cloud services majorly because of cost reduction and the need for dependable, latest communication modes. Most organizations talk through the cost estimation, pros and cons of switching to cloud computing, factors to counter or consider, and the starting costs they need to consider ROI. Shifting to the cloud cut down costs on infrastructure and software. Plus, it increases investment capital for business growth and boosts business scope in the market. Cloud-based applications help reduce costs and drive higher returns. 8. Productivity. On-site data servers typically require lots of racking and stacking, software patching, and other time-consuming IT management activities with staff productivity. Let us assume your business growth improves and application performance gets better in 15 minutes rather than a 1-month period with a new application on the run. Similarly, cloud computing eliminates the need for unneeded tasks so that the resource teams or staff can focus on achieving the priority tasks. 9. Effective performance. While cloud computing handles big data efficiently, it offers several benefits over a single corporate data center, including reduced network latency for applications and greater economy of scale. Simultaneous use of cloud computing resources sure does achieve higher performance rather than having to rely on your server hardware. The biggest cloud computing services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers, which are regularly upgraded to the latest version of fast and efficient computing hardware. It increases input-output operations per second, IOPS, which is an approx. of 50 to 100 IOPS per VM. 10. Internal process improvement. Every unique business has processes. Now, to describe the benefits of cloud computing, the cloud-based process modeling solutions enact such change and drive businesses forward. It can streamline internal processes, deploy environments for development and testing, and support functions quickly from templates. Though an initial financial investment is taken up to initiate a cloud strategy, organizations can clearly avoid unnecessary hardware investment, reduce electrical overheads, and initiate rigid streamlining of business processes.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.